I'm going to show you how to kickstart your own print-on-demand business selling t-shirts. No big investment, no inventory, just pure creativity. And guess what? Now is the perfect time to dive in. With holiday shopping in full swing, you can start cashing in by creating unique designs people will love. So you're welcome.
Welcome to KCK, where dreams take flight. Making money online, tech and sights so bright. Subscribe and stay, let's journey on. Together we'll shine from dusk till dawn.
So I want us to start by understanding what print on demand really is, okay? So print on demand, or POD for short, is a business model where products like t-shirts, which is going to be our main focus for today's video, okay? Mugs and posters are printed only after a customer orders for them. Okay. So with this business approach, you don't have to deal with inventory. You don't need to handle shipping. You don't have to worry about stock and all of those things. So it's a very flexible and scalable way to start a business with minimal risks. Okay. So as a seller, there is few things you're going to be responsible for in this business model. Okay. For example, you're going to be responsible for creating the product designs, which I'm going to be showing you in today's video. Then you will have to register with a print on demand platform. For example, like Printify, Printful, okay? And reason being, these print on demand platforms are the ones that are going to help us with the production, and we don't have to pay for the production cost upfront, okay? So they're going to handle the printing, packaging, and shipping our products to our customers, okay? Then number three, we need to create an online store where we can sell our products, and this can be through the marketplace on the print on demand platform you've chosen, or on your own website, or through an e-commerce platform like Etsy, Shopify, Amazon. Okay. And we are going to look at all of those things. Okay. So the other thing you'll be doing, obviously, you'll have to select the designs that you want to work with. You'll have to select the colors, the sizes, and the styles. Okay. So then, like we said, delivery is the print on demand service that prints the design on the selected item and ships it straight to the customer when a customer places an order. So this is how easy this business model is. So let's go ahead and start doing everything together practically. Okay. So we are going to begin by giving ChatGPT a prompt that is going to help us generate t-shirt text ideas that we are going to be using while creating our design. So like you can see, my prompt is very short. It says holiday t-shirt text ideas. Okay, so I'm just going to click over here and let ChatGPT generate for me the different ideas that we are going to be using. Okay. So like you can see, ChatGPT has generated for us different text ideas for different holiday seasons. Like you can see Christmas, there is New Year, there is Hanukkah. I don't even know what that is. There is Thanksgiving, there is winter in general, like you can see. Okay. So you're going to go through these different ideas, and then you're going to make up your mind on what designs you want to create during this season. Okay. So what you're going to do next is to give ChatGPT another prompt. So this prompt says, generate me prompts to generate image designs for each of the text ideas you've generated. Okay. So you're going to click on that button just like that, and then ChatGPT is going to come up with prompts for all these text ideas that it has just given you. Okay. So now we are just going to highlight this, okay? And then you're going to copy the entire prompt just like that. So we are going to be using Canva's new feature known as DreamLab. So once you go to the Canva's homepage, down here there is a DreamLab option. Once you click on it, it will bring you to this page over here. So what you're going to do is you're going to paste the prompt over here just like that. You're going to leave the ratio to 1:1, okay? 1:1. Okay, then you're going to click on create just like that. So we are just going to give that some time, and then we'll wait for our beautiful designs to be generated. So here are our beautiful designs that DreamLab has generated for us, and like you can see, they look beautiful. However, some of them are not perfect. So you have to be very observant when it comes to AI, because also AI makes mistakes. So the first one is perfect, the second one is perfect, but the last two are not. Okay, so you have to look at your work really well and figure out if there is any mistakes. If there is mistakes, you can regenerate until you get something perfect. Okay, so I want us to try it one more time, and I see if you guys have understood exactly what I just told you to do. So we go back to ChatGPT. Let's go with the second option over here. So we are just going to copy this prompt. Okay, the entire prompt, just like that. Copy and then paste over here in DreamLab, just like that. We are leaving the ratio on 1:1. Okay, then we are just going to click on create. Then that way we are just going to wait for this DreamLab app to generate for us our beautiful images that we are going to be using while designing our t-shirts. Okay, so I think they've all come out really well. So what you're going to do is you're going to come and click on the image just like that. So you will click on the download button over here, just like that. Then it's going to download onto your device. So this is what you're going to do to download all your designs, just like that. So now we are going to click on this home button to take us back to the Canva main interface, which is this one over here. And from here, what we are looking for is the custom size. Okay, so you're going to click on that, just like that. And then it's going to bring you over here. So here we need to put the dimensions that we need to design our t-shirt. Okay, so you're going to put these dimensions over here, which is for the width, it is 4016 by 3307 pixels. So that 4106 is for the width and the 3307 is for the height, and it has to be in pixels. So I already have it here. I'm just going to click on it, just like that. And then it's going to take us to a new canvas that we are going to be using. So here is the canvas that we are going to be using. But the first thing you really need to do is to go to the uploads option. Then that way you're going to upload the files that we just created with DreamLab. Okay. So after that, you'll be able to, drag and drop them over here, or you just have to click on them just like that and automatically fit it onto the canvas. So there is two ways to do this. You can choose to just drag and fit the design onto the canvas, just like that, simply like that. Okay, then the other way, let's add a new page. Okay, and choose a different design. Let's go with this one. The other way you can do it is by removing the background of the design. Okay, so let's remove BG. But remember, this is a Canva Pro feature. However, you can try it out for free for 30 days. You can try Canva Pro for 30 days. And if it's a feature you want to invest in, you can go ahead and then, pay for the subscription. Okay, so what you're going to do, still you'll drag the design to fit, but like you can see, it was creamish in the middle. Now it has become white. Okay, like you can see, there is a difference between these two. So you're just going to drag the design over there, just like that. Okay, so guys, before we continue, I just want to show you something. If you look closely, the canvas size has changed. Okay, so I did resize the dimensions of the canvas. Okay, so all I did is to come over here to resize, and I don't want you to be confused at this point because I'm going to explain this better when we get to that point. So just trust the process for now. So I had to come back and I clicked on resize over here. Then I changed the size to 4200 by 4800 pixels. So I clicked on resize the design, and this is how I got this two design fitting on the canvas really well. So I'm going to explain this like I promised. Just trust the process. So let's go ahead and click on the share button. So we are going to download our designs. You will click on download, and then you're going to choose page per page. So let's start with page 1. I'm going to uncheck page 2. Then we are going to click on download. Now, like you can see, we only have page 1 over here. So it's what we are going to download first. So yeah, that way it's going to download onto your device. So you're going to take the same steps for page 2 as well. You click on share, then you click on download, then you choose page 2. So we are going to uncheck page 1. Okay, then we are going to uncheck page 1, just like that. And like you can see, we only have page 2 over here. So after that, you're just going to click on the download button, and it's also going to be downloaded onto your device. Okay, so let's head over to Printify and I show you what we are going to be doing next. By the way, if you're already finding value in this video, I kindly request you to support the channel by liking this video if you haven't already, subscribing to the channel and ringing the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. Feel free to drop your comments in the comment section down below and I'll answer them as soon as possible. Thank you so much and let's continue. So on Printify, you're going to come over to the catalog option over here and they'll bring you different products that you can choose to place your product on. Okay, like you can see there is t-shirts, there is hoodies, there is sweatshirts, long sleeves, tank tops, a lot of products over here. So you just have to choose which one you want to work with. So I think we should go with sweatshirts since they sell well during this season. Okay, the Christmas season. So we are going to click on that just like that. Okay, and then what you're going to do is to go through the different mockups available, just like that. And then here you're going to choose which one you want to work with. Okay. So once you find the one that stands out better for you, you're just going to click on it just like that. And then it will bring you the product details over here. Like you can see, you can also click here to view more about that. There is different mockups over here. So you just have to go through everything really well and then see how everything is. So basically what we are going to do here, we are going to click on the start designing button over here and it's going to bring us to this page. So we are going to upload our design from here. Okay, but before we do that, let me show you something. Okay, so you will click on this icon over here. So remember when I told you I'll explain this later, this is what I wanted to explain to you guys. So for the print area size, it changes depending on the design, okay? On the t-shirt style. So this t-shirt is design is 4200 by 4800 pixels. But if we find a different product, like you can see, it has 4500 by 5100 pixels. So you have to put that in mind as you pick the custom size for your design. So that means it's very important for you to first go through the different t-shirt designs and the mock-ups. Then you choose you choose which one you want to design before even you make the design. Hopefully that makes sense. It's like I repeated myself so much. Okay, but hopefully you guys get the point. So let's go back to designing. Okay, so what you're going to do here is you're going to click on the upload button, then you'll go to your device. Okay, then you're going to upload your designs that you just created. So you're going to give this time, like you can see it's uploading, and then we are going to see how it comes out onto our beautiful sweatshirt. So this is what the design looks like on a sweatshirt. So you can click over here just to change or select the different colors you want your design to be in. You can choose it in gray. So you can just go on ticking all the colors that you want your design to be in. Okay. Like you can see, there is different options over here. So you just have to keep on trying the different ones and you see if you really like it on all the colors. Okay, so after choosing the colors you want, you can come over here to preview the design on a mockup. So let's first come back to the edit view and then we are going to click on apply to all areas. Okay, just to see what the design looks like at the front, at the back, you know. Let's click on that so that we can make up our mind if we want it at the back or at the front. Okay, so we are just going to view this and we see what it looks like. So I think it looks better at the front. So we are going to stick with the front design. That's all we are going to keep. Then let's go ahead and upload our second design and we see what it will look like on these mockups. So here is our second design and it looks really good, like you can see. So I'm just going to go ahead and try it on different mockups to see, you know, how it has come out. I think that's really perfect. So before we go ahead to save our product, let's go ahead and I show you something. Let's go back to edit. Okay, so if you look over here, Printify has its own AI image generator, so we can also use this to generate our beautiful design. So let's go back to ChatGPT and get the prompt, and we try out this AI image generator to see how it works. Okay. So you're going to come over here and then you're going to paste the prompt over here. So like you can see, they have different styles over here that you can choose from. And then you'll just click on generate image, just like that. So they're going to generate for us different images that we can use. So here is the image that they've generated for us. So if you like the image, all you have to do is to click on it, and then you can delete the first one over here. You can just click on delete, and then you'll make sure that this fits, okay, really well onto this design space over here. Okay, so you just make sure you center everything really well, just like that. Then once again, you can go ahead and see what it looks like in it looks like on a mock-up. Okay, I personally prefer this design, so we are going to continue with this one. But before we continue, I just want to let you guys know that you can actually also design hardcover journals with Printify. And if it's that something you want to explore, I'm going to leave you this particular video over here to guide you on how to do it. Okay, so now let's proceed. Once you're happy with how everything has come out, you've selected the colors you want, everything. Okay, so you're just going to click on save product over here. So after everything, it's going to bring you to this page, and this is where you can edit your design if you want to. And down here, this is the mockup library, like you can see. So there is different mockups and the color options you chose. Like when you click on spot gray, you will see that they'll give you the options of gray over here. And when you click on white, it will give you the white options over here. And once you scroll down furthermore, here you will be able to add your title and product description. And to create this, you can use the help of ChatGPT. So basically, you just have to go to ChatGPT and give ChatGPT a prompt like this: generate me a detailed product title and description for a Christmas sweatshirt, merry and bright, okay, to sell on Printify with searchable keywords. So you will just click on the enter button, and that way ChatGPT is going to generate for you a detailed description, okay, like you can see over here. So you can just copy that and then you paste it over here. So you can also use the Printify AI generator. Like you can see over here, it says products created with AI generated titles make 35% more sales. So all you have to do is to click over here where it says generate with AI, and then it asks for a brief description of your design. So all you have to do is to put your prompt over here, and then you'll click on generate. So this AI is also going to generate for you a title and then a product description. So you just have to go through the one you got from ChatGPT and the one you got from here. Either you can compare both and find which one is better for you to use, and then once you make up your mind, you'll use the one you want to use. So let's say you want to use this one. You'll just click on apply to listing, and automatically it's going to be uploaded over here, like you can see. Okay, so now all you have to do is to go through the rest of everything. You'll have to select the sizes from here, and then the pricing information is over here. You have to go through everything really well, and then select the relevant information or tick the relevant boxes. Then after that, you're just going to come down here and then you connect your store. So you can connect your store, either your personal website, like I told you guys in the beginning. You can connect your Etsy shop, your Shopify shop, your Amazon shop, all of those. Okay, if you don't have your online store or you don't know how to create one, don't worry, it's so easy. There is so many free videos on YouTube that you can watch, and then you'll be able to create your own online store. Then you'll be able to connect it to your Printify over here, to your Printify account, and then that way you will start making money online. So guys, this is all I had for you for today. And if you found a value in the video, I kindly request you to support the channel by liking this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and then ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. Feel free to drop your comments in the comment section down below. I'll be answering all of them as soon as I can. Thank you so much, and see you guys in my next one. Bye.